Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll talk about self-identity and awareness that are crucial components of our existence, shaping how we perceive ourselves and interact with the world. Understanding one's true self goes beyond mere labels assigned by society, such as job titles, social roles, or even personality traits. These labels can often confine us, limiting our potential and distorting our self-image. By delving deeper into our authentic selves, we can uncover our values, passions, and unique qualities that define who we are at our core. The journey of self-discovery is not just an abstract concept, it is a vital process that influences our daily lives, guiding our decisions, relationships, and overall well-being. As we navigate this journey, we may encounter challenges such as anxiety and overthinking, which can cloud our understanding of ourselves. However, these obstacles also present opportunities for growth, pushing us to confront our fears and insecurities. Embracing this journey allows us to cultivate inner strength, resilience, and a clearer sense of purpose. As we explore the intricacies of self-identity, we will also examine how these themes relate to our experiences with anxiety and overthinking, ultimately setting the stage for a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. This exploration is essential for fostering a more authentic and fulfilling life. Identifying oneself through external labels can be limiting and often misleading. Names, jobs, and locations serve as surface identifiers that provide a snapshot of who we are in a particular context, but they do not capture the entirety of our being. These labels can create a false sense of identity, leading us to believe that our worth is tied to our profession, social status, or geographical location. It is essential to encourage viewers to reflect on their deeper essence, which transcends these superficial markers. By looking beyond the labels, we can uncover the values, beliefs, and passions that truly define us. This introspection allows us to connect with our authentic selves, fostering a sense of fulfillment that external identifiers cannot provide. Moreover, it is important to recognize that true identity remains unchanged, despite external shifts. Life circumstances may alter our jobs, relationships, or even our names, but the core of who we are, our character, integrity, and inner strength, remains constant. Embracing this understanding empowers us to navigate life's changes with resilience, reminding us that we are more than the roles we play or the labels we wear. By focusing on our deeper essence, we can cultivate a more profound sense of self that is less susceptible to the fluctuations of the external world. The concept of the inner observer is a powerful tool for understanding our emotional landscape and enhancing self-awareness. This duality allows us to experience emotions while simultaneously observing them from a distance. When we feel joy, sadness, or anger, we are often consumed by these emotions. However, the inner observer provides a unique perspective, enabling us to step back and witness our feelings without becoming overwhelmed. This separation is crucial as it empowers us to manage anxiety and overthinking more effectively. By cultivating awareness, we can recognize when our thoughts spiral out of control, allowing us to intervene before they escalate. This mindful observation helps us to identify patterns in our thinking, fostering a greater understanding of our emotional triggers and responses. Encouraging viewers to see themselves as the observer of their thoughts can be transformative. It shifts the focus from being reactive to becoming proactive, enabling us to respond to our emotions with clarity and intention. This practice not only alleviates the burden of anxiety, but also enhances our overall emotional resilience. By embracing the role of the inner observer, we can navigate life's challenges with a sense of calm and purpose, ultimately leading to a more balanced and fulfilling existence. This perspective invites us to engage with our emotions in a healthier, more constructive way. Awareness plays a pivotal role in navigating life's challenges, offering a lens through which we can separate the act of experiencing difficulties from the act of observing them. When faced with adversity, it's easy to become engulfed by our emotions, allowing stress and anxiety to dictate our responses. However, by cultivating awareness, we can step back and observe our circumstances with a clearer perspective. This separation enables us to recognize that while we may be experiencing hardship, we are not defined by it. Encouraging viewers to use awareness as a tool for resilience can empower them to face challenges with greater confidence. For instance, during a stressful work situation, instead of succumbing to panic, one can observe their thoughts and feelings, identifying the triggers and patterns that contribute to their stress. This clarity allows for more thoughtful responses, such as seeking support or breaking tasks into manageable steps. Similarly, in personal relationships, awareness can help us recognize when we are reacting out of frustration rather than understanding, leading to more constructive communication. By adopting this perspective, we can transform our approach to tough times, fostering a sense of control and calm. Ultimately, awareness not only helps us cope with challenges, but also enhances our ability to thrive amidst them, paving the way for personal growth and resilience. Connecting with one's true nature is a profound journey that begins with recognizing oneself as pure consciousness. This understanding shifts our perspective from identifying with our thoughts, emotions, and past experiences to embracing the essence of who we truly are. By acknowledging that we are not merely the sum of our past narratives or mistakes, we open ourselves to a more expansive view of our potential. Encouraging viewers to see beyond these limiting stories is essential for personal growth. Often, we allow our past failures or regrets to define us, trapping ourselves in a cycle of self-doubt and negativity. However, when we realize that our true nature is rooted in consciousness, we can transcend these narratives and embrace a more empowering identity. This shift is transformative as self-awareness becomes a powerful tool in our daily lives. It allows us to respond to challenges with clarity and intention rather than reacting impulsively based on past conditioning. For example, in moments of stress or conflict, self-awareness enables us to pause, reflect, and choose a more constructive response. By connecting with our true nature, we cultivate a sense of inner peace and resilience that enhances our interactions and decisions. Ultimately, this journey towards self-discovery fosters a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us, enriching our lives in countless ways. Inner strength is an innate quality that resides within each of us, waiting to be recognized and harnessed. This powerful resource is not just about physical endurance or willpower. It encompasses emotional resilience, mental clarity, and the ability to remain grounded in the face of adversity. Understanding that we all possess this inner strength is the first step toward unlocking its transformative power. When we cultivate awareness of our inner resilience, we equip ourselves to navigate life's challenges with greater confidence and grace. For instance, during difficult times, such as personal loss or professional setbacks, acknowledging our inner strength allows us to confront these obstacles rather than shy away from them. This awareness fosters a mindset that views challenges as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable barriers. Encouraging viewers to tap into their inner resilience can lead to profound personal development. By recognizing moments when they have overcome difficulties in the past, individuals can draw upon those experiences to fuel their current endeavors. This process not only builds confidence, but also reinforces the belief that they can handle whatever life throws their way. Ultimately, embracing our inner strength empowers us to transform challenges into stepping stones for growth, leading to a more fulfilling and resilient life. By nurturing this quality, we can navigate our journeys with a renewed sense of purpose and determination. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on button right below this video or the three dots. It looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. In this video, we explored the vital importance of understanding one's true self and the role of awareness in fostering personal growth. We discussed how recognizing ourselves beyond external labels and societal expectations allows for a deeper connection with our authentic essence. By embracing the concept of the inner observer, we can separate our experiences from our emotions, enabling us to navigate life's challenges with clarity and resilience. We also highlighted the transformative power of inner strength, emphasizing that this innate quality exists within everyone and can be tapped into during difficult times. As we wrap up, we encourage viewers to apply these insights in their daily lives, whether through mindfulness practices, self-reflection, or simply by being more present in their interactions. By doing so, you can cultivate a greater sense of self-awareness and resilience, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more content on self-discovery and personal development. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family to help spread these important messages. Together, we can create a community that values self-awareness and supports each other on the journey toward understanding our true selves. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.